to do is cut up about 2 pounds of chicken. Make them into thin slices like so. If you have just regular chicken breast, you're going to have to do a little bit more work, of course, but I have chicken tenderloins here, and it makes it really easy. They're also about halfway frozen, so it makes the cut really simple. And then also what we're going to do is get a little bit of our olive oil here, dump it into our Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, whatever you want to cook it, call it, and turn it to saute. Start that up. And as I'm cutting this up, I just sort of throw it in there. That way it's cooking while I'm cutting. 2 birds, 1 stone. Alright, after we've got all that chicken cut up, thrown in there, stir it up. We're going to go ahead and add 2 packets of fajita seasoning. You can get whatever brand you want. Throw that in there. Throw the other one in there. And then mix it well. Alright, now while that's doing that, we're going to move on and we're going to cut up our veggies here. Got a couple bell peppers, yellow onion, and some minced garlic that we're going to add next. So let's go ahead and cut these bad boys up. All right, once you got this all chopped up, we can go ahead and add it to our pot. We're going to add about 5 teaspoons of the garlic. And we'll stir that all up. We'll let it simmer in there for about 2 minutes. Get those veggies nice and soft up. Alright, next we're going to add a cup of chicken broth to this stuff. So, by doing this with this broth concentrate, which I love, it makes it easy to do. 2 teaspoons of this concentrate with a cup of water, and boom. There you go. I'll add just a little bit more to get some of the remnants out in there. You never have too much water when you're using these Instant Pot pressure cookers. If you don't have enough, well, you know, they won't cook correctly. They won't even start heating up. And then a can of tomatoes. Fire roasted diced tomatoes. Throw that in there. All the delicious juices. And then last but not least, the penne pasta. Go ahead and throw that in there too. Stir it up. And then we're going to put on the lid. Make sure it's on pressure. And we're going to go down here and set it to high pressure for a total of 6 minutes. Start, and in 6 minutes, it'll be ready to eat. All right, 6 minutes have gone by. We did a quick release of the pressure. Let's check out our food. Let's see what we got. Oh man, look at that. This smells amazing. Looks amazing. I can't wait to try this. So that is it. That is the recipe. Chicken fajitas a little bit of pasta in there, made in the Instapot. Be sure to like and subscribe. Put a few comments down there. Let me know what you think about it, how it tasted. This right here is going to feed me and my 5 little girls. So thanks for watching. You have a good one.